At least 14 people have been killed and 750 injured in the massive explosion at one of the Iran's key ports, the authorities have claimed. Also, the blast took place at the Shahid Raji, the country's largest commercial port near the southern city of the Bandar Abbas on the Saturday morning. It blew out of the windows and the roofs of the nearby buildings and destroyed cars. Residents reported feeling the impact of the blast up to 50 kilometers, that is 31 miles away. Also, video verified by the BBC shows a fire growing in intensity before a huge explosion, with the people subsequently fleeing the blast and others lying wounded on the road surrounded by the smoking debris. The entire warfare was filled with the smoke, dust and ashes. I don't remember if I went under the table or was thrown there by blast, one of the person who was in the area told the state TV. Aerial footage showed at least 3 areas ablaze, and Iran's interior ministry also later confirmed that the fire was spreading from one container to another. Schools and offices in the region have been ordered to remain closed on Sunday. Also, one private maritime risk firm said that it believed the affected containers had contained solid fuel destined for the ballistic missiles. The fire was the result of the improper handling of a shipment of the solid fuel intended for the use in the Iranian ballistic missiles, Ambri intelligence said. Also, Ambri said that it was aware of that of the Iran flagged ship discharged a shipment of the sodium perchlorate rocket fuel that was at the port in the March 2025. Also, the Financial Times newspaper has previously reported that 2 vessels had shipped fuel to Iran from China. State media quoted witnesses as saying that the explosion occurred after a fire broke out and spread to the unsealed container storing the flammable material. Custom official later released a statement reported by the Iranian state TV saying that the explosion had probably and possibly resulted from a fire that had broken out in the hazmat and the chemical materials storage depot. In the later update, the Ambri quoted Iran's National Disaster Management Organization as saying that the officials had previously issued warning to the Shahid Raji port regarding the safe storage of the chemicals. During the surface, the pair sat at a short distance from each other, with the Macron and the other heads in the state in between. In his homily, the Cardinal Battista Day spoke of the Pope Francis' incessant call for peace. Build bridges, not walls, was an exhortation he repeated many times, said the Cardinal. Also, Ukrainian officials had talked of a possible second meeting, but Trump's motorcade drove away from the St. Peter's immediately after, and his plane later left Rome after a short